Welcome to this rarely available, renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bath home at the highly sought-after Atelier Co-op, your new home on historic West 67th Street. The gorgeous eat-in kitchen boasts lovely sunlight streaming in through 2 windows with western exposures. Plentiful white custom cabinetry, a large pantry, granite countertops, and top-of-the-line appliances. The kitchen opens to the grand living room with western and northern views and built-in bookcase with library-style rolling ladder. The spacious and bright primary bedroom boasts dual northern and eastern city views, ample built-in storage, and vanity. The ensuite bathroom is clad in gray marble and features a marble-top vanity and deep soaking tub. The second bedroom is quiet and faces east with great built-in storage and shelving. 33 West 67th Street, the Atelier, is an iconic landmark co-op built in the neo-Renaissance style and is one of only 6 buildings on the block built as artist studios. This beautifully maintained boutique building has preserved the original brass elevator operated by a 24-hour elevator operator and features a roof terrace and back garden.